you are born in the following period, your zodiac is a dog, and this year you're offending the Tai Shui. So this year there will be some unexpected challenge, obstacle, even some unexpected expenditure, loss will happen. So you need to prepare for that one. Be really, really low profile. And this year you have a 4 inauspicious start that will happening to you. The first thing is a Shui-Po. That start will make you feel lots of obstacles in your life, lots of damaging energy to your business. It's not really good for your money fortune. Okay, the second one is a Dai Ho. This start will make you have an unexpected loss. You will have a really not stable in the financial fortune. So I suggest you prepare more like an emergency funding. That would be much better. The third one is a Lan God. That start will make you have some obstacle in life. The last one is a Bao Mei. That one will make you have some like a small car accident, lawsuits, argument, that kind of things will happening to you. So be really, really low profile is a good idea. But don't worry, this year you have a one lucky star, which is Scorpion. That star will bring you have a good people to help you out. Just prepare for the following bad month, April, August, and October. Do not travel too much. Do not invest too much. Do not do anything important in these 3 months. For February, March, and June are much better. So anything important you can schedule in these 3 months. For more detail, you can go to my website to download the free Feng Shui guide, which is totally free of charge. Just search my name, Master Alex, you will find. And I wish you good luck and take care. Thank you. Bye.